didn't really think it.
Thank the Lord I'm splitting it with someone.
Here you go. Is that yummy? No more? More?
I know, isn't she adorable?
I will see.
What?
So this is your documentary.
Oh. This is my favorite place.
No, I just need to order the boots I gave you. Oh, but you still gotta order those.
The boots she gave me. I found those boots, Mom.
The sunflower ones?
Yeah.
I thought I found those.
No, I found those.
And I said, Bethy, I got the perfect pair.
No, I found them and I showed you and I was like, do you like these? Because they have the fold over. I think these are really cute.
Look. Those are adorable.
I like the shape of these ones though.
Oh, that's even better. One more time. Oh, these are so cute. No, they're not. Don't look at the price. These are stinking cute.
Yeah.
What?
Try them on.
No.
Do they not fit? No, it's not your size.
That's my size right there.
Give us the outfit rundown.
What?
Okay.
And a shirt. $10 Target find. Really big overalls that I put patches on. And added jeans too at the bottom. This is Nordstrom rack. On sale. Made by Mary.
Okay.
Which way, Ray?
Alright, you guys. We are here, the best store in Gatlinburg. Candy store. I haven't even done an intro yet. but wait, look. They have a burrito. Oh, look at the dog and an avocado. Thumbnail. I bought a new car.
Do you want that? A half a wolf face?
Oh, that's cute.
No?
Unless you guys want to look.
Oh, do you want a pet giraffe? Hello everybody, this is probably about the 20th time I've tried to record this audio segment here, but as you can tell there is no sound because Ava's getting her ears pierced for the very first time, but you are about to witness probably some of my greatest B-roll that I've ever put into a YouTube video, and YouTube might take down the song because I don't own rights to this song, so YouTube, please keep it up. Okay, enjoy, bye. Alright guys, what's going on? We are here in...
Cades Cove.
Where's that though?
Tennessee.
Where in Tennessee?
Where?
Yeah.
Well, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge area. Cades Cove is its own place.
Yeah, but we're in the Smoky Mountains, guys.
Oh, that's what you're
The
going
Smokies. And we're taking a hike to Abram Falls, which is about 3 to 4 hour hike.
Mm-hmm.
And we got a stroller, 2 kids, 2 babies. I'm already kind of tired. Actually holding this camera
It's kind of hurting my arm. It's pretty heavy. But just wanted to let you guys know we are here in Tennessee. We've been here for a couple days, but I haven't really vlogged anything. You might see some stuff from yesterday's shopping trip in downtown Gatlinburg, but other than that, we haven't really been doing too much. This is probably gonna be the best thing that we do this week. So you guys will see all the shots, all the videos, all the whatever I record probably from here today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the views, and we'll see you guys when we get to the falls in about like 3 hours, maybe 4. We'll see. Anyway, okay. Look, carrying the stroller because they can't hike it. With the stroller.
Alright, we're good.
Set it down for a minute. What is this ma thinking, pushing a stroller up this mountain?
Off-roading.
Man, if them wheels were bigger, it would be a lot better.
Say hi!
Yeah.
Look how pretty.
Do you want me to carry anything? Like I can carry the stroller if we want to just...
Call myself a mountain girl, y'all. Alright guys, about 20 minutes in. Weather is honestly really great for it being in December.
It's amazing.
It's pretty much spring weather, and as you can see, I had to take my flannel off because I'm hot. Oh, but we're walking about the sweet, what is a wooden bridge? Look, check this out. Hi, Ava. Ava.
Don't like it. It looks so cool from the side.
Easy.
That is not what I thought it was. Don't like it.
How is it
Are you scared?
Look how comfy she looks.
It didn't feel very sturdy.
It's a giant piece of wood.
Let's just leave it.
This is sweet.
Stay up here.
So cool!
Careful. Be careful. Stay back from the edge. Okay, give me your hand.
Look at this view.
Over this way.
Hope you guys can see it. You okay?
Huh?
You need help?
No.
Oh
I should
man,
be
you
good.
should see the view
Careful.
down that way.
Come here.
Woo! Shut up.
You're holding a phone. How am I supposed to?
Wow, I'm trying to be nice. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Yes, you are. Beautiful. Alright guys, so we're in this little secret waterfall. This is April Falls, I think. Guys, I think we made it. Not sure though.
Good job.
I don't even know if you can hear me. It's really loud.
Good.
It's a good time for a discussion.
A discussion?
Yeah.
Life's been good.
What was that?
Life's been good.
Yeah. So, I don't think I've announced it to the channel, but I actually moved into my house this week, right?
Mm-hmm.
The beginning of this week. No, actually today's Tuesday. Last Sunday, I finally moved into my house. It's not 100% completed, but I am living there now. And the first week was not terrible. It's a little different, obviously, because I have been living with my parents. But having my own house, I'm finally moved in. And it was really, it's like a relieving, like weird feeling. Do you know what I mean? No, I guess you don't know what I mean yet.
Exciting.
But yes, it was very exciting. And yeah, it just means we're one step closer to being married. But I think we're almost to the falls, guys. I just want to give you guys a little update on my life while we're on this little more relaxing stretch of the hike. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the views because it's honestly really beautiful and I just love the sound. So plus I got the best view. Oh snap.
Such a dork.
Can't. Oh. Got a roadblock here. Just climbing over or under? You want me to just climb
That's
over it?
too mucky.
Just climb over it.
Over it?
Yeah,
How would you like me to do that?
just climb over it.
My dear, it's a low limbo. I can't do it with a backpack. You can do it. Look at how
There you go. Good job. Thanks, guys.
She called me limber.
Bridge number 2.
Go ahead.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Da-da-da-dee. Da-da-da-doo. What's she doing, guys? Come hither, my dear. This is the best seat in the house, though. Wait, I think I said that right.
Yep. You did.
Alright, another bridge.
Hold on. Yes, I do.
It's been another like 20 minutes to half an hour. We're almost there. At least that's what everybody who's passing us has been telling us, so we're close. We are close.
Hi, Clark.
Super close to it. You guys will see it. Hi, Lou.
Hi.
Hi, Ty.
Hi.
Hello.
Sweaty mess. Sweaty mess. Is anybody else a sweaty mess?
How are you guys? We did it. Alright guys, we made it to the falls. Here's Hannah.
What is she saying?
Well, we made it.
Finally.
I don't know if this is worth it. I think
We made it!
I think we're all falling through.
It's cool.
I think this is beautiful.
It is.
What did you think about the falls, babe?
Beautiful.
Yeah, unfortunately we weren't able to stay very long to enjoy it much. It is getting dark, so we have like an hour and a half hike back.
Yep.
40 minutes? I don't know, whatever. But it's gonna be dark, and we've got a bunch of kids with us too, so we gotta be considerate of the rest of the group and safe. But I am kind of hungry. Just had a great little bag of trail mix, which is really good. But yeah, we're on our way back. That was cool. I always appreciate waterfalls. They're probably one of my favorite things. Wish we could have gone in there to swim, but that probably would have been a little more dangerous. If you guys watched my Philippines vlog, you guys know that I really loved that waterfall that we were able to like swim into. And if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll leave the link down below or something. I don't know what YouTubers do. But anyways, we'll see you back when we get to the car. If not, see you guys when I get back home. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.